everyone, welcome back to another Smart Money Sundays. I'm currently live here from Portugal. It's currently 11:45. Thought I'd get this video. I know it's been a little late, just been out today, so I thought I'd get this video up for you guys a little later than usual, but let's just jump right into it. So as always, let's start off with the DXY. So high time frame objective has not yet been met. Okay, 106 is going to be the new target for the week, but as you can see, price is basically just come above this high of 105. So I'm anticipating this week 106 to get tagged in. I'm going to break down lower time frames, but price is basically high time frame objective is still the same. Okay, 106, as I mentioned from months ago, is still the main target. If I'm going the lower time frames, if you recall, price actually played out to perfection. So if you remember, there was a gap here. This gap has now been filled. Okay, gap intent has now been filled as to which I was anticipating. Price came down, took out these lows, and then accelerated to the upside, clearing this objective, which is done for the week. Now coming in for the new week, what I'm looking for is basically this is cleared off, so we can check this off. Okay. Now what I'm anticipating is, so Monday, a range to occur, something like this, and then some sort of manipulation down where I'll be looking for an entry to long this back above. Now the safest way to play this is wait for a reclaim of the range and then short the fucker back up to 106 is going to be our main objective, and then we can likely rip up higher. Okay, given that once this liquidity is taken, right, we're likely going to see a impulse occur. Now, I don't know how high this impulse can go, but it will be a short-term impulse, and that will drive a lot of currencies and commodities bearish in essence. Okay, so this is sort of the game plan I'm basically looking for, right? I don't think we'll come down to 104. If we do, even better, but I don't think we will. I think we're just going to be trading with the trend now, but because I'm still waiting for that overextended push to come, as this target has not yet been fulfilled yet, this objective. So 106 is still on the cards, and I think this week is very likely to come and hit, because we're about, let's see how far we are. We're currently from market open, we're about 58 pips, so we're not that far, right? We're 0.56% away, so we're not that far. So I think probability will be that we clear that objective this week. So we should see a lot of volume coming into this week. So let's just move over to EU. So EU did actually fulfill the move. If you recall, my main objective was 106. My low end objective is 105. This objective has now been very much cleared, right? Remember, we had a gap here, as I stated in the last video. Gap here has been ticked off, fulfilled. Now what I'm looking for is a potential retracement. So Monday, likely look for intraday positions. If you guys trade intraday, potentially push back above into 107. And this is where I'll be likely looking for shorting opportunities back down, okay? Because given the nature that we haven't fulfilled on the dollar strength index, I'm anticipating a push to come into 105. Okay, 105, 177 to be precise. But I'm looking for something like this to occur. Okay, now if we do rip higher, which is a possibility, just like I highlight on the DXY, this is where this red zone here is where I would like to do business. Mainly because we do have some liquidity here. I'd want to see price shoot back above, sort of a false push, and then trap all these traders here who get long, and then short the fucker back down. Okay, first target here, second target, swing target is 105. Okay, so very, very simple for EU, not too overcomplicated. Okay, because objectives have been cleared, right, on the lower time frames. Now it just comes to allowing Monday's range to form, right? Allow Monday's range to form where manipulation is likely going to occur, and I'm anticipating a pullback. So intraday wise, I'm bullish, okay, at least to come into this region, potentially squeeze higher, and then I'll be looking for my main weak position, which is short, okay, because I want to see price retest this level and then potentially push lower. Again, 106 is very, very much likely on the cards this week for for the dollar. Okay, so that's EU. Now let's move over to gold. Now, 1 second, let me go over. Right, so this is, if you recall, right, my main objective for gold was 1904. My second objective is 1885. Okay, main objective was met. Okay, I sent out messages to the team to take out heavy profits at this level, mainly because this low got taken. As soon as we wicked out, I was anticipating a retracement, and prices ended up retracing fully. So we took profit, took a major chunk profit out. The remaining position got stopped at break even, but we played it very, very well. It was a little over 1 to 3, but yeah, very, very clean position on the on gold. Okay, now coming into this week, now what I'm exactly looking for is prices come into this previous level I was looking at for at 193, because now we've cleared this lower time frame objective. I'm still bullish on the dollar, which means I'm still short-term bearish on gold. So I'm still in these swing shorts with the team, okay, just because I've obviously taken out partials at this level from these swing shorts as well. But I'm just leaving this runner just in case we leave this entry here. But the reason is because I'm anticipating, again, Monday's range to form here. Okay, some sort of manipulation to occur, potentially a push back into this level, the mid-range of this level, and then a push down. If that is the case, what I'm going to be looking for is a retracement back into this range, and then short the fucker back down. Okay, again, first level target would be 1903, at least a retest of this level, and then second target is going to be where this liquidity was, where we previously took shorts from. Again, all shared on with members live, and also shared in the previous Smart Money Sunday episode, so you can go back, check that for yourself as well, and there's a lot of value there to learn as well. But expecting this liquidity pool to come and get targeted in some time in the future. So it depends on how far that extended push in, but I'm still bearish. We just need to come to see how Monday's range forms, but I'm expecting this level to hold. Okay, I just want to see price just hold this level, a manipulation above the highs, and then back down. Okay, that's what in essence I'm looking for. Right, very, very simple, no need to overcomplicate the process. Okay, so that's gold ticked off. Now let's move over to BTC. Right, so BTC has currently basically taken out these lows. Okay, so I was basically anticipating price to come above into the highs, and then I was looking for shorts back down. So what ended up happening is we've come down to the lows, right, cleared off this liquidity, and then made the push above. Right, simple. All price is doing is just targeting liquidity at this point. Price action on BTC has been very very awkward. So I don't recommend trading it if you're not a professional. Or you don't have enough experience. I do not recommend trading BTC currently. Alts is different, but again, I'd recommend it. Just stay away. Wait till volume comes back into the market, and then you can look for positions. But that's why I'm currently not even looking for any triggers. I am in an alt, which is I'm going to cover shortly, but currently I'm only waiting for my levels to come and get hit. So what I'm basically looking at for now is if price comes above into 27.5, I'm going to be looking for short-term shorts, okay, into mid section of this range, which is around here, and then my second target would obviously be back 25 too, and I'll leave a small runner in case we break 25k, right, 25k low. But currently I'm not anticipating that to happen. What I am looking for currently is price to just come back down, retrace, come fill in this zone. I'm looking for 25.5. If that is the case, if we do come down this week, right, given the bullishness of the dollar, I'm anticipating this move to occur. I'll be looking for clean and simple longs, okay, just to long this back into 27.5, right? Very, very simple intraday position. No need to overcomplicate it again, but in essence, I need price to come. I'm expecting price to come and fill in this gap, and then 25 for 24.20 is exactly where my entry trigger will be, right? If we do get that pullback coming into next week, all right? Given that this objective is not met first, if price comes down first, then we're very likely going to come back above, all right? So that's Bitcoin out the way. Now the alt that we triggered today is, let me go on a cleaner chart, is Solana, right? As you could just see. So currently I'm in Solana shorts. I'm still in this previous shorts, right? That were taken with the team at 19.78. Price came down below, partialed out at these levels, right? Took major partials there. Now price is retraced. It's just come back to this. It's just retested this liquidity pool, right? Or previous liquidity pool, or before it was cleared. Now what I'm anticipating to come into Monday, given BTC's bearishness, I'm anticipating basically, let me go on the lower time frame to illustrate this better. But in essence, what we've had is a pullback, right? We've had clean rejection from $19.4, okay? So what I'm basically looking for is price just to create a range again, see some sort of rejection back down below, and then you can look for scalings, right? Given that price comes back down, I'm anticipating this low to come and get cleared. $17.2 is my first target, and then my main swing target is going to be $16 basically. I'm anticipating price come to $16. I know it's a round number, but it's a psychological number, so that's why I'm expecting price to at least come down to around that $16 region. But I'll be looking to partial out at 17.2 and then take my full profits at $16.3. All right, very, very simple. Again, right, pullback, rejection. I'm waiting for clear price action coming tomorrow. I'm already in these shorts, so currently in 25 pips profit. Shared it with the team, so everyone's in this with me. But yeah, I'm expecting that impulsive push to come down tomorrow, most likely, or next week. So that's me done. That's me wrapped up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do leave a like and subscribe. It is a bit late here in Portugal, but yeah, I'm gonna keep pumping these content out for you guys. There's some new content coming next week as well, so please do comment, do all that good stuff. It helps with the algorithm, and it lets me know that you guys want more content like this in the future. So with all that said and done, I'll see you in the next one.